Hello beautiful devs, welcome back, and this is the last video. Indeed it's not last because we will upload updated videos specifically related to AdSense, and if you have any queries we will post a video on that as well. But in this video we will just take a quick overview of our whole process, that what we have learned in this course, and we'll just take a quick overview. So we have started our course from localhost, and we have installed the web server, and then we have created our website on localhost. We have transferred our website to the main domain, and we have purchased the hosting and domain names from Namecheap hosting. Then we have developed our website template. We just organized the template. We didn't develop. We used the Solidate theme and the Elementor to design our website, and then we have moved further to the SEO steps, and we have learned that SEO is how much important. We did SEO for pages, categories, posts, and everything. We have optimized the images, we have optimized the speed of the website, we have did the meta tags, meta descriptions, meta titles. We also learn about writing the articles in a proper manner, and headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, etc. And then we also learn about the website security, SSL certificates, etc. We also learn that you can create any type of website in WordPress by using specific templates. We have created another website which is a directory website, and the directory website is also very nice and powerful website where you can visitors can come and they can actually add their businesses on this website. And we have actually set up this website with content in a proper manner, and then definitely again we have returned back to the main website, and we have finalized the SEO things. We have customized everything of the website, from social sharing to logo and everything, to the categories sections. We have posted custom ads here, and we also learn about AdSense. We have also learned that how we can post AdSense ads to the main website, and we also learn that there should be 1000 visitors per day to get approval from Google AdSense, and that process we will definitely practically view in a couple of weeks. After a couple of weeks, when we will get 1000 visitors on this website per day. So that is overall overview of our course, and I hope you enjoyed this course, and I will expect that you should review this course in a proper manner, so that we should thank you very much. Goodbye.